Good afternoon, students. Yes, students, as you know, we're doing unit first, knowing our numbers, and we are discussing exercise 1.4. Only last two questions are pending of this exercise. So, second last question of exercise 1.4 is question number 6. So students, now I'm starting from sixth question, exercise 1.4. Question 6. Estimate the following products by rounding of each of its factors nearest to its greatest place. Now estimate the product. Now your first statement is 578 multiply by 161. Now estimate this product to the nearest its greatest place. So first of all, what are their greatest place? First number 572, greatest place is 5, and second number is 161, then greatest place is 1. So first we will find the nearest value according to their greatest place, number 5 or number 1. Now find the nearest value of 578. Now put your finger on 5 and observe the next number. Next number is 7. So nearest value will be 600. Multiply. Now second number 161, greatest place is 1. So put your finger at 1 and observe the next number. Next number is 6. So its greatest value will be 200. Clear, students? Now 600 multiplied by 200. We have 1,20,000. Our answer is 1,20,000. So this is sixth question, first part. Now sixth question, second part. We have 9,650 multiplied by 27. Now its first rule is greatest place. In first number, greatest place is 9, and in second number, greatest place is 2. First we'll find the nearest value according to 9, number 9. Now you put your finger at 9 and observe the next number. This is 6. So nearest value will be 10,000. Put your finger and observe next number. If this number is 5 or greater than 5. Yes, friends. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then number exceeds one step more. Here we have 9,000. So nearest value will be 10,000. Multiply once. Now put your finger at 2 and observe next number. Next number is 7. Next number is 7. So nearest value will be 30. Now 10,000 multiplied by 30, we have 3 lakh. So our answer is 3 lakh. Next is question number 7th. Seventh question is, now students, estimate the following products by rounding off each of the factors nearest to its 100 place. Now find the product according to the nearest 100 place. Question is 7th. First part is 5281 multiplied by 3491. Now find the nearest value according to 100. According to 100. First, nearest value of 5281. Now we are finding nearest value according to 100. Ones, tens, 100. So 100 places is 2. Now put your finger at 2 and observe next number. Next number is 8. Yes, friends, if this number is 5 or greater than 5, if this number is 5 or greater than 5, then this 100 place number will exceed one step. Here we have 200, so nearest value will be 300, 5300. Nearest value is 5300, because 1 stands 100 and next digit is 8. So nearest value of 5281 is 5300. Now 1 stands 100. Now put your finger at 4. The next number is 9. So nearest value will be 3500. Clear, students? Now find its product. 5300. First we'll multiply by 0. Then multiply by 0. Now students, multiply by 5. Now multiply by 5. 5 multiply by 0, 0. 5 multiply by 0, 0. 5 multiply by 3 is 15. 5 multiply by 5, 25, plus 1, 26. Next is multiply by 3. 3 multiply by 0, 0. 3 multiply by 0, 0. 3 multiply by 3, 9. Now 3 multiply by 5, 15. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 1. So number is 1,85,50,000. Clear, students? Next is 7th question, second part. Now we have 1,387 multiplied by 885. Now find the nearest value according to 100. Ones, tens, 100, or 100 places 3. So put your finger on 3 and next number is 8. So nearest value will be 1,400. Multiply. Ones, tens, 100. At 100 we have 100 place we have number 8. Put your finger. Next number is 8. So nearest value will be 900. Now 1,400 multiplied by 900. Now multiply and find the answer. Clear, students? Now this is the last question of exercise 1.4. Yes, friends, now I'm starting exercise 1.5. Now exercise 1.5. Yes, students, our exercise 1.5 is related with Roman numbers, Roman numerals. Yes, students, these Roman numbers we already study in 4th, 5th. So here we'll discuss main points of these Roman numbers. As you know, in Roman, 1 we write as 5. Sorry, 5 we write as in Roman as V. V. 10 we write Roman as X. Next is 50. Sorry, 20 we write as next is 50. For 50 we write L. For 40 and 60, how we can write 40 or 60 in Romans? If you want to write 40, we'll write it XL. It means 50 minus 10 is 40. If you want to write 60, we'll write as XL. 50 plus 10, 60. Clear, students? Next, for 100, we'll write Roman 100 as C. We'll use letter C for 100. Now write 90 and 110. 90 and 110. For 90 we'll use XC, means 100 minus 10 is 90. Then 110 CX, 100 plus 1, 10. 110. Yes, students, for 500 we'll use letter D. D. And what about 400 and 600? For 400 we use CD. It means 500 minus 100. 5 minus 100 is 400. Next is 600. D5, 600. For M, for 1000, we'll use letter M. Same as 900 and 1100. 900 CM and for 1100 MC. So these are few letters which we use to write these Roman numbers. Now we'll discuss rules of Roman numbers. Rules. Yes, friends. First rule is symbol V, L, and D. V, L, and D are never written to left of a symbol of a greater value. So V, L, and D are never subtracted from a symbol of greater value. Clear, students? Symbol V, L, and D are never subtracted from a symbol of greater value. Second rule is symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. Letter I is subtracted from V and X. For example, if we want to write 4, we'll write as 4. If you want to write 9, we'll write as 9. Yes, next is letter X. Third rule is letter X can be subtracted from L and C only. L and C. Letter X can be subtracted from L and C. Suppose if you want to write 40, 40 will write as XL. You want to write 90, you can write as XC. So X is subtracted from L and C. And C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted from D and M. Clear, students? Now, last rule is we can't repeat any letter more than 3 times. Roman numerals, in Roman numerals, we can't repeat any letter more than 3. For example, if you want to write 30, we'll write as X, X, X. Now, if you want to write 40, X, 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 X. This is 4 times. So this is wrong. We can't repeat any letter in Romans more than 3 times. So for 40, we'll write as XL. It means 40. Clear, students? Now we'll discuss few questions of exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Your first question is to Arabic numerals. Write in Hindu Arabic numerals. First question, first part. Now number is LIV. Now write in Hindu Arabic numeral. L means 50. 50, L means 50. This means 4. 54. So our number is 54. Dear students, next is second part. Now we have D, C, X, 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 I, X. D means 500. DC means DC 5 plus 100, 600. DC means 600. DC, it means 600. 10, 20, 30. 630, then 9. 639. So our number is 639. DC means 600. D 500 plus 100, 600. 10, 20, 30, 6. Then 9, 639. Now third part is MCD, MCD, LIX. Yes, friends. M means 1000. M means 1000. 400. M means 1000. CD 400. L 50. 1450. Then 9. 1400. 1459. 1459. So this is first question of exercise 1.5. Clear, students? Now, second question. Again, write in Hindu Arabic numerals. Write in Hindu Arabic numerals. Second question, first part is C C X L I X. Yes, friends. Now write in Hindu Arabic number. C C 100 plus 100 200. Yes, friends. C C 200. X L 40. X L 40. Then 9. 240. So number is 249. Clear, students? Next is second part. C M C X L C M X L I B. Yes, friends. CM. CM means 900. M means 1000. Minus 100, 900. It means CM. CM means 900. XL. L means 50 minus 10, 40. X 40. Then 4. IV 4. 944. So now 944. Clear, students? Is third part. Second question, third part. M L M L X X X I V. M means 1000. M means 1000. L means 50. 1050. 60, 70, 80. 1080. Then 4. 1084. M means 1000. L 50. 1050. 60, 70, 80. 1080. Then 4. 1084. Clear, students? So this is first and second question of exercise 1.5. Now, third question. third question of exercise 1.5 is now write in Roman numeral. Third question is write in Roman. Now your first number is sorry. Your third question, first part is your first number is 319. Now students write 319 in Roman. First we write 300. Write 300 in Roman. For 300 we use C. We can repeat one letter in Romans 3 times. C, 300. Now write 19. 310. IX. 319. Yes, friends, our number is 319. First write 300. C. 300. 310. Then 9. 319. Clear, friends? Next is second part. 596. 596. Now write 596 in Roman. Yes, friends, first we write 500. For 500 in Romans we use letter D. D means 500. This is 500. Now we want to write 96. 96. For 90, XC. 500 XC means 90. Now write 6 VI. 596 for 500 D. XC 90. 590. Then 6. 596. Clear, students? Next is third part. 994. 994. First we write 900. 900. Then that's CM. M means 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100, 900. CM means 900. For 900 CM. Now write 90. XC. CM 900, XC 90. Then 4. For 4 IV. 994. 994. CM 990, then 4. Next is fourth part. 2084. 2784. First we write 2000. For 2000 we use M. M means 2000. Then D. 2500. 67. 2700. Now write 84. XL. Sorry, 80. L X X X. 2500. 2500. 26. 2700. 2750. 60, 70, 80. Now write 4. IV. 2784. Clear, students? Now last is 5391. Yes, students, for 5000 we use V. This it means 5000. 300. C C C. 5300. Now 90. X C 90. Then 1. 91. 5391. Yes, students, for 5 we use V, then bar. V. 5000 it means. 678. 5300. XC 90. 5391. Clear, students? So, student, this is the last question of exercise 1.5. So, this is the last exercise of unit first and last question of exercise 1.5. Now, our unit first, knowing our numbers, is completed. So, students, today your homework is complete exercise 1.5 in your fair notebook. Now your homework is complete exercise 1.5 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.